What do you make of this venture today?
It's pretty interesting from my perspective. On the one hand, I'm not at all surprised to see Amazon go after the healthcare industry. This is a very large, growing, profitable industry. Those are typically the type of sectors that Amazon wants to be involved in. The other thing, too, is, is they're saying that they're not really interested in profitability. And I'm, sort of reminded of one of Jeff Bezos' favorite saying, which is, your margin is my opportunity. Now, one thing that's interesting is the partners here, right? Berkshire Hathaway, JP Morgan. You might have expected them to partner with some type of healthcare company. But at the end of the day, look, Amazon brings the technological expertise. Berkshire Hathaway brings the operational experience, right? They have over 60 companies in their portfolio. And JP Morgan brings deep pockets, though, quite frankly, all three of them have deep pockets. So, I would not want to be a shareholder of an healthcare insurer today.
So you think it's pretty safe assumption that kind of like Amazon Web Services, something that started as an internal operation, or the logistics, something that started as an internal operation that was then opened out, that assuming this gains traction within these companies, that it would only be a matter of time before this new company is trying to serve employers beyond just these three?
That's correct. And if you look at the press release, there is a quote from Jamie Dimon in which he basically hints at that, strongly hints at that. So we would expect that if this is successful for Amazon, for Berkshire Hathaway, for JP Morgan employees, eventually they will expand it to outside employees.
Yeah, let's get to that. So basically what you were just talking about, the quote from Jamie Dimon, he says, the three of our companies have extraordinary resources, and our goal is to create solutions that benefit our U.S. employees, their families, and potentially all Americans. I feel like that's what you're referring to here. What's your best guess for what this company is going to come up with?
It's hard to say. It's so early at this point. But at the end of the day, I think that it will definitely involve technology. It will certainly involve big data. A part of that is AWS. It could be kind of interesting, right? Maybe somehow they loop Prime in there. Maybe somehow they loop the Echo in there, right? Alexa. I feel like I have flu symptoms. What should I do? I mean, the possibilities are endless from my perspective.